Sungka.
The Atay bed. Ito yung mga sinaunang bed.
Ginawa siya ni Atay. Four poster bed carved and dressed in lace. Yan, yan pala yan, Atay bed.
I'm not sure it looks I don't think it looks comfortable.
But during that time, wala naman silang mga spring or cotton na ano, yung mattress eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
At saka, laro yan, diba?
Ito, sungka.
Anong ginagawa nun? Sungka.
Hindi rin ako maalam. I forgot how to use that eh. Ito, ano to? Binondo.
Oh!
Las Casas.
Church.
Ito, the kitchen. Ginawa kitchen nila. Tapos hapagkainan.
Called by the names of Bithai, Bilao, and ano?
Eh, mga Chinese food, oh. Bithai, Bilao, Sianse. Food processing techniques like bihon, miki, tanghon, miswa, taosi, tokwa. Ano pala yan? Chinese ano pala yan? This is the ancient fire extinguisher.
Dewey smashes Splainsby. The American occupation, shared destiny. The American
Regime.
shared destiny on December 10, 1898.
Spain ceded.
Ceded the Philippines to the United States for $20 million.
Parang
Diba?
isinuko.
Yeah. Imagine yung country natin parang
We were
object
only
lang.
sold. Yeah, we were only sold.
Only sold. We're not just
We're not objects.
Just an object. Tao tayo and may kingdom tayo, di ba?
We have our own identity.
We already have an identity, we already have a nation, tas ibebenta mo lang tayo.
Mm.
Under